Here is a weather bulletin for the following counties in Wisconsin: Brown, Calumet, Dorr, Florence, Forest, Kewaunee, Langlade, Lincoln, Manitowoc, Marathon, Menominee, Northern Marinette, Northern Oconto, Oneida, Outagamie, Portage, Shawano, Southern Marinette, Southern Oconto, Velas, Wapaka, Washira, Winnebago and Wood. Dense fog advisory in effect until 9 a.m. this morning. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a dense fog advisory, which is in effect until 9 a.m. this morning. Dense fog with visibilities of 1/4 of a mile or less. Possible slick roads due to the dense fog. The areas impacted include portions of central, east central, north central, and northeast Wisconsin. Timing, until 9 a.m. this morning. Impacts, hazardous driving conditions due to low visibility. Also, the fog may cause slick roads due to below freezing temperatures. A dense fog advisory means that visibilities will frequently be reduced to less than a quarter mile. If driving, slow down, use your headlights, and leave plenty of distance ahead of you.